Hello everyone, welcome to another science video. In today's science video, we'll discuss simple machines. What is a machine? Yes, we use various tools like pair of tongs, a scissor, and a wheelbarrow, etc. that makes our work easier in our everyday life. These tools are called as machines. Okay, scientifically, a machine can be defined as a tool that make our work easier by helping us overcome larger force called load by applying lesser force called an effort. Now, the machines can be of two types. They can be simple machines or the complex machines. A simple machine uses a single applied force, effort, to overcome a single force called load. A complex machine consists of two or more simple machines working together. Now, there are 6 types of simple machines: lever, wheel and axle, pulley, incline plane, screw, and a wedge. Let's discuss lever first. Okay. Now, a lever is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point. Now, in this picture, you can see a lever, and they are also explaining how does the lever work. Now, the lever consists of 3 parts. The first part is called as fulcrum. This is the fixed point around which the rod moves. The second part is called load. It is the object on which work is being performed. And the third part is called as effort. It is the force that need to be applied on the rod in order to perform a task. Now, based on the position of these 3 parts, levers can be classified into 3 types. I hope you remember the names. Yes, the 3 types of levers are: first one is first class lever. Levers in which the fulcrum is located between the load and the effort are called as first class or class 1 lever. Examples of such levers are a pair of scissors, a seesaw, and a crowbar. Next, we'll talk about second class lever. Lever in which the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort is called as second class or class 2 lever. Examples of second class lever are wheelbarrow, a bottle opener, and a nutcracker. Next we come to third type of lever, and that is called as third class lever. Levers in which effort is located between the fulcrum and the load are called third class lever or class 3 lever. Examples are stapler, a pair of tongs, and a fishing rod. I hope this part is clear. Next we move to another simple machine. Can you identify this simple machine? Yes, it is a wheel and axle. A wheel and axle consist of wheel rigidly attached to a rod called as axle. When the wheel is rotated, the axle also rotates. Example of wheel and axle: a screwdriver, a doorknob, and the steering wheel of your car. Next we come to pulleys. A pulley consists of wheel with a grooved rim and a rope or a chain or a belt running around the grooves. As you can see in this picture, the wheel rotates around the stationary axle. A pulley can be of two types. It can be fixed pulley or movable pulley. Now we'll see each one of them. Now this is fixed pulley and the other one is the movable pulley. In the fixed pulley, the axle of the pulley is fixed to some kind of a support such as a hook or a wall. You can see here. And one end of the rope is attached to the load. This type of pulley changes the direction of the force and makes the work easier. It is used to lift bucket of water from the well and also to raise a flag to the top of the flagpole. Here we use fixed pulley. Second type of pulley is movable pulley. In movable pulley, the axle is not fixed to any kind of support. It is free and movable. The load is directly attached to the pulley. This type of pulley helps to lift load with lesser effort than a fixed pulley. Now it is usually used in combination with the fixed pulley. For example, a crane uses both fixed and movable pulley to lift heavy loads. You all might have seen the crane. Next we come to inclined planes. A slope or a flat surface raised at an angle to move heavy loads with less effort is called as an inclined plane. As you can see in the picture. Examples of inclined planes are ramps, which are in hospitals, and slides in the playground. Next simple machine is a wedge. A wedge is formed when two inclined planes are joined together such that one end is sharp and the other is blunt. It is used to cut things. Now you can see here examples of wedge are a knife and an axe. Next simple machine, the last one will be screw. A screw is another type of inclined plane. It is formed when an inclined plane wraps around a straight rod-like structure. A screw has a spirally grooved surface with a pointed end. It usually holds things together. The attaching ends. Now you can see in the picture it is joining that wooden piece. Some examples of screw are light bulbs. Then we use to join planks. These planks are joined together by screws. Now let's summarize the whole chapter, force and energy. In this chapter, we have discussed that a force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can make a moving object slow down or stop. A force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. A force can change the shape of the object. Then we have discussed different type of energies: heat energy, light energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, wind energy, sound energy, and so on. Lastly, we have done today different type of simple machines. Now let's name them: lever, wheel and axle, pulley, incline plane, screw, and a wedge. Thank you. I hope you have understood. Now revise it on your own.